As the spring season gets underway, Risk Management Division encourages both residents and employees alike to get out into the yard, get prepared for spring, but also to have an injury-free environment. Always plan your lift. Use your legs and bend at your knees, not your back. Keep your back straight. Make sure that you inspect all power tools before you use them. Look for worn or frayed power cords or broken casings. If you have any damaged equipment, make sure that you're repairing it or replacing it before using. If you're going to clean out any gutters or do any roof repairs, make sure that you're inspecting the ladder each time before you use it. Make sure that when you're using the ladder that you always abide by the 4-to-1 rule. For every 4 feet of ladder height, you have 1 foot away from the building or the object that the ladder is leaning against. Make sure that you're always wearing the appropriate protective clothing, such as long pants, sturdy work shoes, work gloves, and protective eyewear. Drink plenty of fluids. Avoid alcoholic beverages or beverages that have a high concentrate of sugar as well. Also take into consideration the signs of heat or heat illnesses that you should be aware of. Dry, clammy skin, rapid pulse, dizziness, confusion. Kind of keep an eye out for each other, and if you take into consideration all of these things and you abide by some of these basic safety rules, you'll have an enjoyable spring and an injury-free spring.